I'm Lauren Forcella, and I'm the CEO and founder of the nonprofit called Straight Talk TNT. And this is an organization that's about youth helping youth, and it's actually been around for about 6 years, but just newly is a nonprofit. We got our nonprofit status in January. And how we work is we have our main portal, and that is a column that we produce every week, and we're published in 10 California papers, and the Toledo Blade in Ohio carries it too. And how we work is that we have about 85 young people aged 13 to 26 that are on the panel, and they answer questions directly from our readers, and I answer them too. So when you read our column, there's a question from a reader, and then different viewpoints from different young people. So it's very dynamic and very real, and we shy away from nothing in our column. So that's our main way we help youth with them, this peer counseling approach. And we're growing in other areas. We just shot a pilot a couple weekends ago for a video column. So we're going to do the same concept, only it'll be on video. So the kids will talk into their webcams, they'll respond to a question into their webcams, we'll bring that to a central area, edit it, I'll talk also. So it'll be very much like our written column, only on video, so we can bring in the web audience better. Because we're in newspapers right now, which are sort of a dying breed. Not really. I mean, they're going to be around, but they're broke. And they're very broke. And so that's really why we went nonprofit, was because the newspapers really can't, they like our column and want it, but they can't really pay for it. You used to get, maybe $500 a week or a month for a column like this. Now you're lucky to get $100, and many times much less than that, 30 maybe, for the whole month. If that. Some of them can't pay at all. And they want it, and anyway, it's so this way we went nonprofit, so we could we're doing such a service with young people, so we could bring in the money from other sources to keep this going and expand it across the nation, which it probably would have already been had this been 10 years ago and the press was healthy. It would have already been across the nation. So that's where we are. And I probably have forgotten something. Oh, yes, and you'd probably pick it up if I forgot it, but you can expand on it anyway. We really picked up on the idea that was floated here last week of starting a mentoring program. And we really thought about that, and we have a really interesting idea of how to form one for not very much money, and even with a national approach to it. Local, be local but national too. Anyway, it'd be fun to form a little task force of anybody who's interested in helping to, formulate this, and we take it forward from there. We're excited about sharing about it. So, but maybe this probably isn't quite the time, but just to know it's living. We took it up.